Thank you. Thank you.
Pangalawang the best, ayun, si Rose. Si Rose pork chop. Bakit pork chop? Apelyido niya. Buti na lang pinigilan ko yung tawa ko.
Nag-picnic kami habang nag-fishing.
May huli na naman si Rose, oh!
Meron? Ito yung buhay namin sa Amerika. Go, Rose!
Ako, kapi.
Say hi to my YouTube channel.
Hi! Rose, pakita mo sa nanay ko, Rose. Oh. Yung huli mo. Ito na yun. Ngayon, ay, tingnan mo yung huli ni Rose. Ay, ang laki na, no? Malaking isa na.
Ang saya.
Get mo yan, Rose. Ayan, no? Ayaw ko yan. Ay, yun ako, baby hardtail. Ay, baby hardtail. Oh, ano yan? Oh.
Bluefish, hindi bluefish yun. Bluefish, hindi siya baby hardtail. Or yellowtail. No, yellowtail.
Ay, yellowtail pala, yellowtail. Oh, may yellowtail pala. Oh, i-keep mo yan. Ayan ka, oh, malaki. Oo, yan.
Ang buhay namin sa Amerika. Picnic, picnic, and fishing.
Nakita mo, Nay?
This is our life here in Florida.
Nakita mo yung ano, isda? Nakita mo?
And this is our views.
Sila, ito ba? Ano sila?
Right now, it's what time is it, Gang? 5? 5:30? 5:50? 5:50. Still no sun. So it's a bit windy. This is Fort Walton. See, it's fun. Fishing's fun. My family's gonna go fishing. First time we've been. It's first time fishing, so we'll see.
We go. Going. Okay, now reel it in. Reel it out.
Yeah, we're trying to catch.
Not a fish yet.
Not yet. It will bite.
Hold it tight. You holding it tight?
Do you have some? It should bite.
Twist it. Okay, that's enough.
You don't need to do that because there's a bait.
Okay.
Yeah.
Twist it a little bit. Good. That's enough.
You have a bite?
Hold it then. Hold it. Hold it tight. Don't let me pull it out of your hand, buddy. You remember I told you that the other day.
Hold it tight.
Hold it
I think
tight.
you have a fish.
No. Reel it.
Reel it in. I'm gonna help him, Daddy.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah, big fish. Ben got a fish. Yeah, first fish. Reel it in.
Bring it up, Ben. Bring it up.
Yes, a big fish. Reel it in. Reel it in. Wow. Okay, shoot up. Shoot up, hold it.
Good job, Ben. Yay. He's catching.
Good job.
Yeah, I tail hooked that one.
Good job, Han. Yeah. Good job. Yes. Yeah. Put it in here.
Open mommy's cooler. Over there.
Sige na,
Are you having fun with Auntie? Yes? Yes? Yes.
Yes. Have fun and drinking my water.
Getting dark.